Welcome back children, and today we are going to see about nervous system. Okay, nerve system. Nerve system is an integration of nerves and they are composed of specialized cells called neurons. Okay, this nerve system is integration. Integration means join together. Okay, we are joining panni. It composed of a specialized cell. அதில் இருக்க specialized cell, what is the name of the cell ma? It is neurons. Okay, the human neuron system is the human nerve system is divided into the following: central nervous system CNS, peripheral nervous system PNS. Okay children, yes, now we move to the central nervous system. The central nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. Okay, the central nervous system consists of how many parts ma? The brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. Now we are going to learn about the brain. Okay, we use our brain to think, read and write. For what we are using the brain ma? Yes, to think, read and write. Okay, the brain is covered by three membranes called meninges. They are dura mater, arachnoid membrane and pia mater. Okay, this brain is covered by three membranes. Okay, that three membranes together is called as meninges. Okay, and what are the three membranes? Yes, we will see. Okay, dura mater, arachnoid membrane and pia mater. Okay, the meninges protect the CNS from mechanical shock. திடீர்னு அதிர்வுகள்லாம் இருக்குல்லம்மா, திடீர்னு தலையில் அடிப்படும் இல்லையா? So what we feel a shock. To not get the shock into us, நமக்குள்ள டக்குன்னு அந்த ஷாக் வராமல் இருக்கிறதுக்கு these meninges are helping us. Okay, it is made up of 8 immovable bones. It is made up of 8 immovable bones. Movable means we can move the bone, but immovable bones means, yes, the skull இருக்குல்லம்மா, skull means மண்டையோடு. Yes, அது வந்து 8 parts-ஆ it is covering the brain. Okay, the brain is made up of millions of functional units called neurons. Yes, in the brain oda functional units enama? Neurons. Okay, yes, the human brain is divided into three major parts. How many major parts? Three major parts: the forebrain, midbrain and the hindbrain. Okay, forebrain means the front, that is called as cerebrum. Okay, cerebrum. Then the midbrain, cerebellum. Then the hindbrain is called as medulla oblongata. Okay, let us see. Forebrain na முன்னாடி இருக்கிற பிரெயினை வந்து 3 parts ஆஃப் பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க இல்லையா? ஸோ ஃப்ரண்ட், 4 means front, mid, then the last hindbrain. Okay, hindbrain. The forebrain consists of cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Okay, this forebrain consists of 3 parts. What are they? The cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Hypothalamus means thalamus ku adiyila irukkirathu is called as hypothalamus. Okay, it is the largest part of the brain. The forebrain is the largest part of the brain under the line. Which one is the largest part of the brain ma? The forebrain is the largest part of the brain. Okay, it is the center of human memory. Human memory ku it is very very important. நம்மளோட மெமரிஸ் எல்லாமே வச்சுக்கிறது எந்த brain ma? It is forebrain. Okay, ஞாபகம் இருக்கா உனக்கு அப்படி சொல்லி we are asking you know the remembrance. Yes, that is whose duty? Yes, the forebrain's duty. Yes, it is responsible for intelligence, imagination and reasoning. டக்குன்னு ரீசன் சொல்கிறோம்ல, why you didn't do your homework, உடனே டக்குன்னு யோசிக்கிறோம். யோசிச்சதும் உடனே நமக்கு we will get an idea. We will get an idea. We will get an idea, no? That is caused because of this forebrain. Okay. Yes. Then the midbrain. Midbrain means cerebellum. Change that word. Itன்றது வந்து cerebellum. Okay. Cerebellum lies behind the cerebrum. Cerebrumக்கு அடுத்து இருக்கிறதா என்னது? Cerebellum. Okay. Sorry. Cerebellumக்கு அடியில் இருக்கிறதா cerebrum. It coordinates the movements of the muscles of the body. நம்மளோட பாடி மசில்ஸ் எல்லாமே மூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு who is helping there? Yes, the cerebellum, the midbrain. Okay children? Yes. Then it regulates vision, hearing, sleeping and body temperature. நம்மளோட body temperature, then hearing, then sleeping எல்லாமே who is taking in charge of that? Yes, the cerebellum, the midbrain. Okay, now we are going to see the hindbrain. Hindbrain means the medulla oblongata. The hindbrain compares of pons and medulla oblongata. Hindbrainக்கு எத்தனை இருக்குமா, எத்தனை பார்ட்ஸ்மா? 2, the pons and the medulla oblongata. It is also called the brain stem. Brain oda stem no, it's having the another name, so underline the sentence. It is also called the brain stem. Who is called the brain stem? Yes, the hindbrain is called the brain stem. Okay children? Yes. It is the vital knot because it controls breathing, heartbeat and other involuntary muscles. Okay. Vital knot means உயிர் முடிச்சு. ஸோ பெடரியில் அடிக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையாம்மா? எஸ், அந்த ஹெட்டுக்கு கீழே அந்த கழுத்துக்கும் ஹெட்டுக்கும் ஜாயின் பண்ணுற இடத்துல இருக்கிற நாட் பேர் தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் த விட்டல் நாட். ஓகே. It contains the brain it connects the brain to the spinal cord. என்ன பண்ணுது? பிரைனையும் ஸ்பைனல் கார்டையும் ஜாயின் பண்ணுறது. whose duty is there? Yes, the hindbrain. Okay children, and see there, do you know average weight of human brain is 1.300 kilogram. Okay. நார்மலாக ஒருத்தவங்களோட மூளையோட வெயிட் எவ்வளோ இருக்குமா? 1 kilo 300 grams. ஓகே.